Hi friends, a big namaste to you all. In this new video, I am going to review the Tamil movie Sultan, directed by Bhagyaraj Kannan, starring Karthi, Rashmika Mandanna, Lal, Napoleon and others. Before I start with the review, I would kindly request you to leave your valuable comments on the comment section, and also please don't forget to hit the subscriber button, which is a big motivating factor for me. So let us start with the review. We have this good-hearted gangster portrayed by Napoleon with a gang which is faithful to him, and Mansoor, his right hand, tops the list when it comes to honesty. His pregnant wife doesn't want her baby to continue on his footsteps. When the rival gang attacks their house, in spite of entire gang trying to control the situation, Don's wife delivers a baby boy and she dies. That's how Sultan is born, and later on he is kept away from home and criminal activities. He returns home as a highly educated professional, wanting to set up his own business. During his stay, there is an attack on their house again, in which some of the gang members are severely injured. Sultan suffers a major blow when he loses his father and has to shoulder big responsibility of the gang. While talking to new police commissioner, Sultan discovers that the officer is keen on eliminating the entire gang. Sultan requests the officer to give him some time to reform his men. When the gang is keen on going to a new village, giving some reason to Sultan, he agrees to the proposal but doesn't know the exact reason. So, why a highly educated guy like Sultan gets involved in the gang and is bent upon reforming them? What is the motive behind the entire gang traveling to a distant village? How does Sultan reform the gang and also save that village from criminals forms the rest of the story. The movie is different from other gangster movies for the simple reason here gangster's son desperately trying to reform the gang and giving them an opportunity to lead a new life. The movie is fast paced during the first half with right dose of comedy, action and sentiments. The gang trying to hide things from Sultan, and while he is trying to express his love for Rashmika, lead to hilarious moments. At the same time, there are some superbly executed sequences, like when the entire gang is waiting to attack a criminal in the market, and then they realize Sultan is on his way to the same place. As Mansoor wants to abort the mission, something happens. This builds a lot of tension among the audience. I also like the song Yareyum Ivalo Alaga, which has been very well sung by Silambarasan. While talking about the songs, the homecoming celebration song Jai Sultan is well choreographed and complements the mood of the entire gang. During the second half, the last 30 minutes is engaging and also the focus is mainly on action. Regarding the performances, Karthik carries the movie on his shoulders and his performance clearly lifts the overall standards of the movie. We don't need a superhero in this situation. We wanted an ordinary person, highly educated, has to take the responsibility of reforming hardcore criminals. This is where Karthik's performance is impressive. He is dressed like a professional and his desperate attempts to see to it that no one in the gang indulges in a criminal activity again. Karthi is natural to the core. However, at some point, when he has his hands soaked with blood, his expression and the scene is one of the best moments in the movie. Also, some of his best scenes include the way he communicates with the police commissioner, requesting him time to reform the entire gang, and also his dilemma at the interval point whether or not to counterattack the criminal Jayashil when he has an option to leave the village with his gang. Something to add, with his perfect comic timing, Karthi is adorable while proposing to Rashmika and the scenes that follow. Apart from being cute and bubbly, Rashmika's character has a vital role to play in the main plot and she comes up with a decent performance. Lal is outstanding, right from those expressions while holding baby Sultan to backing him throughout the movie. This is a top class performance. Napoleon has few scenes but clearly makes his presence felt as he perfectly fits into the character and is impressive in the scene where he tries to make Sultan understand about how much the gang cares for him. Arjay, portraying the role of a cunning character, is first rate. Ramchandra Raju looks deadly. Nawab Shah, in the role of a white collar villain, shows promise. Friends, again, if you like this review, please hit on the subscriber button. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you.